What is it that keeps Tempur mattresses so comfortable night after night?
One of the things that sets us apart from our competitors is that we are vertical integrated. We pour the foam ourselves and we have it in our control until we have the final product.
Tempur performs extensive research and testing to ensure every mattress delivers optimum comfort and support. Mattress construction begins with a 30-meter block of authentic Tempur material. Each block is left to cool for up to 2 days. The foam is then cut into layers to create different mattress feels.
When we build a mattress, each of those layers, they serve a purpose. The top layer, of course, that's where the contact surface with the person is. The further you go down to the mattress, it's the support function and the adaptation to your weight and your shape.
Finally, the layers are glued together, wrapped and paired with the iconic Tempur mattress cover. Throughout production, it's all about quality control, so we know our products meet the highest standards of performance and durability.
I'm originally a mechanical engineer, and so my heart is of course beating for all the engineering stuff. But over the years, seeing that these people are performing together as a team, that's the most inspiring thing that I see every day.
Each shipment contains the commitment of every single person at Tempur to ensure every mattress we create delivers a great night's sleep.
That's our mission, to help people get better sleep. Not only by building unique mattresses, but also by understanding the real need. Because people, they need sleep to be their best version of themselves.